Me and one of my close friends had a conversation today, and she talked about how she was doing charity works and donating. And that reminds me, there are a lot of people out there doing good things, but they're being really humble about it and are not talking about it, are not showing off. In my opinion, I feel like, why not? Why not make it loud? Why does it have to be silent? Because negativity influence just as loudly, and they don't care what anyone think. If you're doing good deed, if you're donating, if you're helping people, and you're spreading love, why are you hiding that? Make it loud. Make it loud.